kitchen sink chicken chili. So I just used whatever I had on hand in the house: red onion, some garlic, the little bit of butter that I had left. Last night I ate at one of my favorite Cuban restaurants and the food was so good. I had leftovers. It's pouring raining in Helen outside, so I just chopped up the leftover chicken. They had some roasted jalapeno. I mixed that in. I put a bunch of seasonings that I'm going to list in the caption. Cumin is the number one stunner. I added some frozen roasted corn that I got from Trader Joe's. Also used the leftover black beans where traditionally you would use white beans. That Trader Joe's Red Hatch chili flake seasoning is so bomb. And of course, Mr. Bear is here, so I have to make cornbread. I had to use applesauce as an emulsifier because I don't have any eggs. Hence, I haven't gone to the grocery store. My trainer has been kicking my butt, so I am tired. I use sour cream to make the chili creamy. I had some Hatch chilies in there. Oh, and these are the leftover tortillas that I had. So I decided to fry those to make some cute little tortilla strips. That's some Morghan sea salt on the top. Look how good that looks. Mr. Bear's filming this, so please bear with me. And this is how it comes out. I had some pepper jack cheese, not Monterey Jack. I used some avocado, the tortilla strips, some fresh chopped cilantro. Y'all, I forgot to add